Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete or remove a section break in Microsoft Word, as well as if you want to delete all section breaks in the document at the same time. So basically a 2-for-1 tutorial today I have in store, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing you have to do is select the Home tab, and then you want to select the Show Hide button up here in the paragraph section of the ribbon. And you should see section breaks listed now in here. If you want to delete individual section breaks, you can just tap the delete key on your keyboard right after the paragraph that you want to delete the section break for, and it should delete them. Now, if you want to remove multiple or all of the section breaks on your document, which is more appropriate for what I'm going to be showing next, you want to go again underneath the Home tab, and on the far right above Editing, select the Replace button. Underneath Replace, select Special, and then you want to select Section Break. And now you want to have Define What, don't change anything in here. Replace With, keep it blank, don't change anything. You want to keep Replace With blank in here. Select the Replace All button. It's going to say that they've made some replacements. You can also go case by selecting Find Next and then just replace certain ones as you see fit. And that's pretty much it. Once you're done, you may want to hide the Show Hide for the formatting symbols. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.